In this video, I will be showing you how to create a TikTok video in Canva. Let's get started. From the home screen, I'll first click on the social media icon to see the different platform templates. I'll scroll through the options until I find the TikTok video icon and click it to open a fresh, blank canvas in a new tab. Now that the editor has loaded, I'll head over to the left sidebar and select the Elements tab. I want to add some high-quality footage, so I'll scroll down to the Videos section. In the search bar at the top, I'll type in Scenic View to look for some visually striking background clips. I'll browse through the search results and pick this beautiful mountain lake clip. I'll take a quick moment here to look over the timeline and make sure the footage looks exactly how I want it. Once I'm happy with the layout, it's time to export my work. I'll move up to the top right corner and click the Share button, then select Download from the menu. I'll make sure the file type is set to the suggested MP4 video format. And finally, click the Download button to save the finished TikTok to my computer.